Three important facts which expert traders use while creating their option strategies so that the effectiveness and the profitability of the strategy will increase. Let us see what are those three facts. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. Fact number one, there are no zero loss strategies, and we should not run behind any concept that okay, there are zero loss strategies. All option strategies will have a range for the profit. If the market remains within that profitable range, strategy will lead to profit. If market crosses that range, crosses that break even point, strategy definitely can go in loss. Range within which profit will happen can be very wide or it can be very narrow also. Now this gives us a question that okay, all the traders would like to have a very wide range because markets are moving here and there. So why, what is the benefit of a narrow range? Why anybody would like to have a narrow range of the uh, trade for break even? So this brings fact number two for us. Fact number two says wider the range, lower will be the profit. If you have a very wide range of break even, let us say you are looking for a range which is having a break even for 2000 points or 3000 points, the profitability will get reduced. So if you increase the break even range of your strategy, possible profit will reduce. But if you decrease the break even range of your strategy, possible profit will definitely increase. So what should be done? So I will show you some examples how when you increase the range, the possible profit will decrease. When you decrease the range, the possible profit can be increased. So generally, to have more profits, we will try to have a narrow range. But when we are looking for a very wide range, chances are that possible profit will reduce drastically. So let me show you one example. In this example one, what is happened, we have created an iron condor. Break even range, if you see, is very high from 17,000 to 18,003, and almost 1,400 points break even range is there. So it's a wide strategy. But if you see the profit here, max profit here is only 3880, around 8.81. So roughly around 40,000 rupees are used to create this strategy. And since we have created a very wide strategy which is having a break even range of 1,400 points, that is why the available profit is 3880. I can further widen this iron condor and I can have a range of, let us say, 1800 points also. So what will happen if you increase the range to 1800 points, this profit from 3880 will further reduce, and there is no guarantee that this profit will happen. Market can move here and there. Now in another example, if I show you, here also we have created a iron condor, but what we have done, we have taken a lower range. The width is 900 points only, and if you see, this height has increased. When we have reduced the width, this height has increased. So your maximum profit in this case is 6322. In earlier case it was only 3880. So this is 13.81%. Approximate margin required will be same. So this is 13.81%, but here the range is narrow, 17,200 to 18,100. In the previous case, the range was wide but the possible profit is less. So this happens with all the most of the option trading strategies, that okay, if you want to increase the range because you are looking for safety and you are looking for some passive income, you do not want to adjust it again and again, then obviously you should be satisfied with a lower profit. And in case you are an active trader and you can do some kind of a adjustment during the markets, you can always look for a narrow range and higher profit. This brings us to fact number three for creating option trading strategies. Right adjustments are required to increase or decrease the range of profit. What do we mean by this? Now, what happens? Expert traders start the trade with a slightly narrow range with high profits, but they have a trading plan. So, if you are an active trader, you are an expert trader, so you will start the trade with a narrow range, because you know even very widest of ranges can be tested because markets can move in any direction with good velocity. So what do? They start the trade maybe with a 700 800 points range, but most important is they have a trading plan. What do you mean by trading plan? Trading plan includes what adjustments they are going to do and when they are going to do, depending upon how the market is behaving. So if the market is moving up, they will do some adjustments so that their range of profit increases on the upside of the market. And if the market is moving down, they will take some action in their trade so that their range becomes more profitable in the lower levels of the market. So that needs a proper trading plan. One should always, when you're doing these adjustments, please note, one should always be with the market rather than against the market. So you can always say that, okay, if market is moving up, you should do some adjustments so that your overall trade will be profitable if market goes up, and if market is moving down, you need to do vice versa. So the next question can be that, okay, you never know what will happen to the market. So that is all adjustment about. So you have to be there is definitely a sort of a uncertainty, so you have to bear that, and you have to move with the market. There will be some days when market is moving up, you are doing adjustments to make your trade profitable in a bullish environment. Very next day or maybe few days after that, you need to do adjustments wherein you are trying to make your trades profitable in the bearish market. So you have to adjust according to the market conditions, and you should be with the markets. At times this can become slightly frustrating. So what many traders try to do, that, okay, let us create a very wide range trade so that for 500, 600, 1000 point move, we are not required to do much. So that is also one of the strategies which can be used. But then again, whenever you are trying to create a wider range, as per our previous fact, then the overall profit available will be slightly less. So can there be a passive strategy to generate excellent returns? Yes, definitely there is a passive strategy where you need not operate day in and day out. Obviously, the returns will be slightly lesser, but they will be much better than a bank fixed deposit. So you can generate somewhere close to 15 to 24% on yearly basis. You can download our TOS app. Link for the app is given in the description, and go through this video. I'm leaving a link with you. Excellent passive option strategy, which can be done with your job also, because only thing you need to do is you need to set up the trade, and then you come on every expiry day and do the adjustment. So you will be trading only on the expiry day, that is the monthly expiry day, last Thursday of the month. So go ahead and see this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write your questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.